Welcome. In this tutorial, we will show you how to hide tags on your posts on Facebook using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Start by opening your Facebook account on your PC. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located at the top left corner of the page to access your profile settings. Step 3. Look for the 3 dots under your name and click on them to reveal additional options. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select Activity Log, which can be found underneath Story Archive. Step 5. Scroll down until you see Timeline, Photo, and Tag Review, and click on it. Step 6. Under this section, find and click on Review Tags on your posts to see tags associated with your posts. Step 7. Choose the specific tag you want to hide and click on the Hide option to remove the tag from your post. By following these steps, you can easily manage and control the tags on your posts on Facebook, ensuring your privacy and control over your content. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial on how to hide tags on your posts on Facebook using your PC. Stay tuned for more social media tips and tricks to enhance your online presence and privacy.